Guys, in front of me is Honor Magic 4 Lite, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So at first open your phone dealer, go to contacts and pick the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. Click on edit then and tap on profile picture. Now you can take it right now, you can just take a photo or choose something from your gallery. Let me pick a picture, then tap on confirmation mark and select the layout of this picture, so you can customize it as only you wish. Let me add it, for example, like this. Tap on confirmation mark again. Click here to save the changes, and that's it. From now on, every time Anna will be calling you, you will be able to see this profile picture at first. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.